morning, viewers. This is Vinky here. So, in today's video, we are going to see something about the COVID vaccination status as of today and my experience recently, how it was when I went for the second dosage of COVID vaccination. Okay, just get into the video. Okay, the latest news is as of yesterday, 1.14 lakhs new COVID cases in India, which is the lowest since April 6th, which is a very good news for all of us to hear after panicking weeks where we just we were just daily we are hearing the cases are increasing and people are just going crazy about spreading the news about the deaths happening, and we also lost a lot of deaths, a lot of people, a lot of our friends and relatives, which is very sad story. And we should not allow this to continue for a long, and we have to just take care of ourselves by going for vaccination and ensuring all the safety precautions and whatever the government has suggested us, and wearing masks religiously, and so that we can take care of ourselves and our families and our people around us. So to get started, let me just give quick data points whatever I see from the media. Okay. So, active coronavirus cases in the country fell below 15 lakh landmark as of yesterday, which is after 52 days, which is a very, very good news to hear. Because, like it was going crazy, it is going above day by day. And right now, I think we are seeing slowly, considerably some, it's coming down. And another good news is, as of yesterday, 1,89,000 people got discharged. Okay, and the total death toll is 2,677 in the last 24 hours, which is a very bad news. But if you see, almost 2 weeks or 3 weeks back, it was like 4,000 per day and 4,500 per day, which was like shocking to all of us, and a very bad bad news. Still, it's a very bad news. Losing 6,000 600 2,600 people in a day is a very sorry news for all of us and all their families. But very unfortunately, things are going on. But still, we are all like pray God, and we'll ensure that things will change around real quick, and these deaths will come down drastically, since the discharge case we are seeing so going high day by day. See, for example, the data shows the total number of cases that we had in India is close to 2 crores 88 lakhs 9,339 as of yesterday, and total discharge out of this is 2 crores 69 lakhs 84,781. Okay, so we have to just emphasize this point. Okay, so total cases received corona is 2 crores 88 lakhs, while people got discharged is 2 crores 69 lakhs, which is very good. Compared to all the countries, our population is so big, and we have to cater so different cultural kind of people, where we need to just bring them into the mindset of following the basic discipline of COVID norms and all those things. But finally, we could able to give the so good treatment in India, thanks to a lot of doctors and health workers and all those things. So we could able to make 2 crores 69 lakhs people who got discharged from COVID. And the death toll in India is very unfortunately again it's 3 lakhs 46,759. But as of now, the active cases is 4 lakhs 77,799 cases. Right now, people are admitted in hospital and in home quarantine, who are undergoing treatments. And let's all pray together collectively, so that all these active cases who are right now having corona should just heal themselves very soon, and all has to come out of the danger. So let's just pray for them. So government taking a lot of steps to ensure that we are getting a vaccination stocks diligently. They're trying their level best. Let's all support. And with respect to total number of vaccination that we received as of yesterday, it is 23 crores 13 lakhs to 22,417, which is great. Phenomenal count that we can say. For example, considering the population of India, where we have more than 130 crores of people, and getting these people into the radar, and having them vaccinated is a very big task, which government taking all the steps to ensure that we are all getting vaccinated. Now let's see about the different types of vaccination what we have as of now. So we have Covishield, Covaxin, and Sputnik, which just came from Russia recently, and just it's getting started in India, and hopefully in another few weeks the speed will catch up, and we will get more number of people getting vaccinated in Sputnik. As of now, we have Covishield and Covaxin. About Covishield, the Serum Institute of India (SIA) makes this Covishield under the license of AstraZeneca, and it has got two dosages, which has got 84 days gap in between the first dose and second dose. And about Covaxin, while the second largest producer, Bharat Biotech, makes the locally developed Covaxin, and again the Covaxin has got two dosages, and the gap between the first dose and second dose is 28 days, and later on. And the third vaccination which just came to India, which is Sputnik V vaccine, it is approved as of April, and just Russia has supplied 3 million doses to us, and just let us see how soon we are utilizing the Sputnik also in India, and hopefully in another 2 quarters from now, as we are all hoping that, and government also promising that India has to be completely vaccinated. Let's hope for the best. For that, we all has to need to support, because I recently happened to go for my second dose of vaccination. Still, I'm seeing a lot of aged people again standing in the queue for the second dose of vaccination, when people at the age group of 45 plus standing in the queue. So that shows that few people have not taken action when government opened that vaccination drive during the month of March. So if everyone would have just stick to that timelines, now I think we could have had better stocks of injections. We could have planned better, because a lot of vaccination we just it got expired, and we just threw that out. My experience during the vaccination was I'll show the video and pictures. Okay, people are going crazy, and people are standing in the queue for many hours to get themselves vaccinated. If you go to private hospital, they're charging more than 1,500 rupees for the Covaxin dosage, and for the Covishield again 850 rupees or so. So and many PHP centers, they are also giving a vaccination which people has to make use of. And for example, I live in Bangalore, and a lot of PHP centers, they are giving vaccination here, and I took just for first one fun, I took in a private hospital, and second one just I wanted to see how it goes, how is the experience. So I just went to the government college in Kerpuram to take my second dosage of vaccination, and it was very good experience, I would say. And it was a damn rush, damn queue. I mean, like, we had a big queue where completely we were just taking care of wearing mask and all those things. But still, since there are a lot of people, the queue was huge. So what is my advice? Okay, so just don't wait for which vaccine is best, which vaccine is great, and can we just wait for more people to get vaccinated and get their experience and all. My humble request, okay, Covishield, Covaxin, both are good. Okay, people say that Covaxin is little bit better than Covishield, but still don't put much head on that. Just go for it. Okay, whatever vaccine you get near to your home, please block the slot, go yourself there and just get yourself vaccinated. Do not delay further. People who has completed your first dosage without any further delay, as per the norms, as per the due date, please go and get your second dose vaccination also as soon as possible. And people who has to take their first dose, please do not delay further. Go as soon as possible and get yourself vaccinated. And people who are in the age group from 18 to 44, ensure that you are getting vaccinated as soon as possible, as soon as we get stock. And in your near to your residence, please go and get yourself vaccinated. And in Bangalore, I can see many arrangements were done for better vaccination, and which anyways I'll be showing in my video. So please make use of this, guys, and ensure that you are getting vaccinated as soon as possible. And with respect to wearing mask, I ensure that people are taking things seriously. I'm seeing a lot of people wearing mask just for the sake of wearing mask. We have to wear mask like this, okay, covering the full face. But I'm seeing few people will wear masks like this, and finally they'll be putting like this, and they'll be talking to their friends, or when they're buying fruits with the vendors and all. Then there is no use, right? It's not like we are wearing mask just to protect ourselves from the eyes of police. Okay, it's for our life, right? So more protect yourself by wearing mask like this, you are completely safeguarded. Okay, and also I would request, don't go for local mask, don't go for ordinary the cloth masks and all, which is completely vulnerable. You will get virus very easily. So go for N95 mask. It's not that much costly right now. N95 is available right from 50 rupees also, and till 500 rupees. So just go for good N95 mask, and do not wear just like that, no, like this, and speaking to the vendor, and your friends and all. Please don't do that. Ensure that you are completely safeguarding your nose till and mouth region and all with by wearing the mask. Be very careful. Why I'm telling means, recently when I went for my second dose vaccination, I saw many people in the roads when they're buying vegetables, fruits and all. I'm seeing them, they're wearing mask. Okay, but mask is not covering their nose. Okay, mask is in just it is in this place, then there is no point, right? And suddenly when police van passes by, immediately everyone will pick up and they will be wearing the mask. Okay, so I was feeling very sorry for these people. Okay, because the mask is for their life, not to get themselves to avoid being caught by the police. So please be serious, wear the mask, and completely ensure that you are covering your face. Don't use your kerchiefs, don't use the ordinary cloth masks and 10 rupees 20 rupees mask and all, because I would strongly recommend go for good reputed authenticated mask, so that you are completely safeguarded and protected. And even the 10 rupees 5 rupees 10 rupees surgical mask also good, but use only once, and after that throw it out and go for one more. So please ensure that you are having proper vaccination at time, and having the proper mask wearing mask habits, and get yourself completely sanitized using sanitizer. Vaccination is what to say highly important, so ensure that you are taking your vaccination without any further delay. And please stay vaccinated and wear mask. Okay, and wash your hands properly, and ensure that you follow all the basic norms of COVID, whatever government has prescribed, and ensure that you are staying safe and staying healthy. And let's get into the video where you can see my vlog with respect to how my experience when I went for my second dosage. Let's get into that video. Stay safe. Now, very good morning. Now we are going to go to take our second dose of vaccine, Covaxin. Let's go. So you are seeing, the queue which is standing in front of college in Kerpuram, Bangalore. So it's a government college. So we happen to know that they're putting Covaxin and Covishield vaccine here, and there is no need to book any prior appointment or anything. Just you need to have your Aadhaar card, and just you have to stand for some time in queue so that you will get vaccinated. So considering that we all went around 8:30 in the morning, myself, my couple of my family members and few of our friends. So just we went early in the morning around not early, around 8:30. But to our shock, we got to know that people are standing in the queue from 4:30 in the morning. Okay, so this is the queue that you are seeing. Okay, very unfortunate. So many people are standing for hours in the queue to just get them vaccinated. So all these due to the shortage of vaccine we had for some time, and people took it lethargic initial days to get vaccinated. So I strongly recommend people who are in the eligibility list right now, please without any delay try to block yourself to go to somewhere and get yourself vaccinated, whether it is private hospital or government prescribed places. Please go as soon as possible, and please get yourself vaccinated. And if you happen to be in this kind of queue, but ensure that you are having very safeguarded with your mask and social distancing and all. Try your level best to follow the social distancing, and get yourself vaccinated soon. All the very best.